Hello viewers, hope you are all well. Let's start with test number 21. Question number 1. Which of the following is best suited to solving complex business problems? A. Quality circles. B. Small ad hoc teams. C. Self-directed work teams. D. Cross-functional teams. The correct answer here is D. Cross-functional teams are generally best suited to solving complex business problems because complex problems usually cut across functional boundaries. Quality circles, ad hoc teams, and self-directed work teams will usually work on departmental problems. These tend to be simpler to solve. Question number 2. Reducing which of the following is an element of the just-in-time approach? A. Inventory. B. Quality costs. C. Queue times. D. Order times. Here the correct answer is C. Reducing queue times is an element in the just-in-time approach. This improves cycle times and reduces inventory levels as products are not sitting in a queue. Reduction in inventory levels is a result, not an element of the just-in-time approach. A total quality management approach would include reducing defects and quality costs. Question number 3. For a commodity product, which of the following would be an order-winning criterion? A. Price. B. Delivery speed. C. Product design. D. Product quality. Here the correct answer is A. A commodity product is one which can be easily found from several sources. As such, price usually becomes the order-winning criteria. From there, delivery speed becomes the second most important factor. If price is similar between two sources, then the deciding factor becomes who can deliver fastest. Question number 4. Your company is in the early stages of team development and one of the teams makes a mistake that costs the company money. You should A. Penalize the team for the mistake. B. Redirect their activities. C. Let them learn from their mistakes. D. None of the above. The correct answer here is C. As in any new process, people will make mistakes because they are trying new ideas and ways of working. They need to learn from their mistakes. Redirecting them or penalizing them will thwart the process and significant improvement will not be achieved. Question number 5. When measuring an organization's flexibility, which of the following would be used? A. Number of setups under 10 minutes. B. Number of skills per employee. C. Number of different models produced. D. Percent of sales from new products. Here the correct answer is B. The measure of flexibility is directly related to the number of different job employees can perform. This allows the company to do more with the existing workforce. Question number 6. Capacity utilization is calculated as A. Actual output divided by design capacity. B. Actual output divided by effective capacity. C. Actual output divided by demonstrated capacity. D. Actual output divided by standard labor hours. The correct answer here is A. Actual output is the rate of output achieved while design capacity is the maximum output attainable. Effective capacity is the maximum output attainable with limitations such as mechanical problems, changeovers, product mix, etc. Utilization is calculated by dividing actual output by design capacity. Question number 7. Master production schedule stability can be achieved by all the following except A. Firming planned orders. B. Freezing the schedule inside the demand fence. C. Using the greater of orders or forecast. D. Requiring upper level approvals for changes. The correct answer here is C. Master production schedule stability can be achieved through several methods. One effective approach is the use of firm planned orders, which ensures that any modifications require scheduler intervention. Additionally, requiring senior level approval for schedule changes helps ensure that cost implications are fully understood before implementation. Another method is freezing the schedule within the demand fence, preventing any alterations during that period. However, using the greater of forecast or actual orders tends to increase instability and can potentially lead to overstatement in the master production schedule. Question number 8. The technique of creating a bill of material based on the common components of a product is A. Option definition. B. Modular bill. C. Phantom bill. D. None of the above. Here, the correct answer is B. Modular bills are used to group like components together to simplify the planning for complex products with many options. Question number 9. To screen for outliers, a forecast system would A. Identify exceptional demand based on a parameter. B. Generate the forecast without using the outliers. C. Create data using the trend automatically. D. None of the above. Here, the correct answer is A. The forecast system can provide the forecaster with exceptional demand outliers, so the effect of outliers can be dampened by the forecaster. This keeps the forecast from being skewed. Some software does this automatically. Question number 10. The final assembly schedule is A. Generally used in make to stock and make to order environments. B. Constrained by the production plan. C. Based on customer orders for end items. D. Most effective when used at the lowest level of the bill of materials. Here, the correct answer is C. The final assembly schedule is based on actual customer orders for end items rather than forecasts. It specifies when each product should be assembled to meet those confirmed demands. Therefore, it directly links production to customer orders, making option C is correct. Question number 11. All the following are benefits of subcontracting except A. Excess capacity is not left unused. B. Companies can produce at minimum levels, reducing facilities cost. C. Cost can be minimized. D. Overtime can be reduced. The correct answer here is C. There are many benefits to subcontracting as needed to support manufacturing. Although short-term subcontracting will most likely increase costs, this may not matter when the lack of capacity is temporary. The additional cost may be worth it if the product cannot be made otherwise. Question number 12. Which of the following provides better order promising and due date performance? A. Increasing batch size. B. Reducing queue. C. Improving forecast accuracy. D. Reducing lead time. The correct answer here is A. Manufacturing lead time depends on queue and queue depends on the number and the batch size of the orders in process. If batch size is reduced, the queue and lead time will be reduced. Reducing lead time improves forecast accuracy and provides better order promising and due date performance. Question number 13. Which of the following statement describe best about work cell? A. Work cell requires short lead time and setup time. B. Material flows smoothly from one operation to the next with no delay. C. A specific production area consisting of one or more people and machine with identical capacity. D. Dissimilar machines grouped together into a production unit to produce a family of parts having similar routings. Here, the correct answer is D. Work cell is a cell of dissimilar machines grouped together into a production unit to produce a family of parts having similar routings. Work cells permit high variety, low volume manufacturing to be repetitive. For work cells to be effective, product design and process design must work together, so parts are designed for manufacture in work cells. Question number 14. The primary reason for a time fence is to A. Determine how to use the forecast. B. Manage schedule changes most effectively. C. Provide a stable schedule for the suppliers. D. Maintain a steady shipment schedule. Here the correct answer is B. Time fences are mainly used to manage the changes that invariably occur in the master schedule. The frozen zone usually can be changed only with senior management approval due to the high cost of changes. The liquid zone can routinely have changes made because resources have not been committed. The slushy zone usually requires negotiated trade-offs between marketing and manufacturing. If capacity is available, then changes can usually be made. Question number 15. Which of the following is a good measure of customer focus? A. High organizational turnover. B. High quality levels. C. Many performances measures. D. Many suppliers contact. The correct answer here is B. High quality levels show the organization consistently meets or exceeds customer expectations, which directly drives satisfaction and loyalty. Quality reduces defects and complaints, improving the customer experience and perceived value. Sustained high quality signals that the company listens to customer needs and aligns processes to deliver them reliably. Question number 16. For suppliers to adequately service the just-in-time purchaser, the supplier must receive A. Purchase orders, B. Quoted contracts, C. Future requirements, D. None of the above. Here, the correct answer is C. If the certified supplier is to provide effective service without storing inventory to do so, accurate future requirements are needed. This allows the just-in-time supplier to schedule effectively. It also allows the supplier to purchase raw materials effectively, reducing inventory throughout the supply chain. Question number 17. The most important initial qualification for a supplier to possess to supply a just-in-time manufacturer is A. Lowest pricing, B. On-time delivery, C. Good quality every time, D. Available capacity. Here, the correct answer is C. Consistent quality needs to be the first characteristics a just-in-time supplier must meet. This is the most difficult to achieve and is the most critical to making just-in-time work properly. If the quality is inconsistent, production lines will stop on an erratic basis. Late delivery can be buffered more easily than inconsistent quality. Question number 18. In a product A, the standard amount of material to be used is 20 units. After running yesterday, 22 units were used to produce product A. The 2 extra units needed is known as A. An efficiency variance, B. A material usage variance, C. A utilization variance, D. A volume variance. Here, the correct answer is B. Material usage variance is defined as the difference between the planned and standard requirements for materials to produce a given item and the actual quantity used for a particular instance of manufacture. Question number 19. Which changes are required by employee in a just-in-time environment? 1. More specialization. 2. More involvement in solutions. 3. More group improvement effort. Here, the correct answer is C, which refers to point number 2 and 3. Employees become less specialized in job function while being more involved in solving problems and in group teamwork. Question number 20. In the implementation of just-in-time, which of the following is the most significant change for the accounting function? A. Cellular processes no longer report every operation to accounting. B. Budgeted scrap and rework costs the create variances are reduced. C. Physical inventory of work in process inventory is more time consuming. D. Costs of incentive program increase. Here, the correct answer is A. Under just-in-time, work is organized into production cells that perform multiple operations as a single flow. So, individual operations no longer generate separate reports for accounting. This reduces transaction volume and shifts accounting's focus from operation level tracking to cell or process level costing and performance. Therefore, choice A is correct because it represents the fundamental reporting change accounting must adapt to. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate the time and attention of all my viewers. If you want to practice more questions, please click the video.